Let me come over here and put in parentheses 4c plus 5 close parentheses 5c plus 3 close parentheses. Okay. Now I'm just going to choose a few like this. How about number 6? Yeah, let's try number 6. Let's see, 6x squared minus 11x plus 7. Okay. The second sign is plus, so 2 of the first. So I'll put a minus and a minus. Well, not a lot of numbers multiply together to give us 7, other than 1 times 7. And for 6, how about 1 times 6 and 2 times 3? Well, I think I'm going to put the 1 here and the 7 there. Why did I fill those in first? Well, that's the only thing that you could have. There's not another possibility. I'll try 2x and 3x here. Let's see. Is this giving me a negative 11x? I would have a negative 3x and a negative 14x. I was about to say that would give, no, that would only be if it were a positive 3x. So, no, that's giving a negative 17. So this is the first one I've done for it. No, I didn't guess it right the first time. So let me try again. What I'm doing is I'm pairing 2, 3 with 1, 6. And since that didn't work, I'm going to reverse the 1 and the 2 and the 3. I'll put the 3x here and the 2x there. Is that going to give me a negative 11x when I look at those inner and outer? No. A negative 2x and a negative 21x. No. Well, okay. That means that 2 and 3 won't work. Let's try it with the 1 and 6. 1 and 7. Both of them minus. I'll try 1x times 6x. Is this going to give me a negative 11x? A negative 6? Is it? I'm thinking that's a negative 13. Okay, other than 1. Other than 1. Okay? Other than 1. But that's what you saw there, yeah. That's why I say other than 1. Theoretically, because everything has a 1 in it, doesn't it? But you're right, like 2 are the same other than 1. Okay? Okay, there's only one more possibility. Let's see, I'll try it right here. Minus and minus. What's the one possibility I haven't tried? Let's see, the 1 and 7. And let's see, I need to reverse the 6x and the x. Is that going to give me a negative 11x? No. This is one that's not factorable, or in other words, prime. When I started this, I said not everything's factorable. I won't be cruel enough to put one of those on the test, okay? And so I have a nice way of letting you know if something factors on the test, okay? Because if you imagine if instead of 6 it had been 24. There's a lot of numbers that multiply together to give 24. Oh my gosh! No. Or if instead of 7 it was 72. A lot of numbers multiply together to give 72. So hopefully you're going to do your homework as I'm doing it. Hopefully you don't allow yourself to get behind, because it's easier just to stay caught up and go along than to catch up. Okay? So if you're going to do this assignment this weekend, over your long weekend, just remember, everyone's number 6 is prime. Okay? Now, if you wait until the night it's due, you can't do that. Okay? You will have forgotten it anyway that I said that. Everyone's number 6 is prime. Oh, I'm dropping all my cough drops and stuff. Let's see. Let's do one that is a prime. I think number 6 is the only one that's prime. Let's do problem 8. Okay. 3b squared minus 7b minus 6. Okay, 3b squared minus 7b minus 6. Let's see. I'm going to draw my 2 sets of parentheses. And what are the signs going to be? Let's see. The second sign is negative, so we're going to have a plus and a minus. So I'll wait to fill those in. I'm just going to write plus and minus up there, just to indicate, okay, I've decided that there's a plus and a minus. I just don't know where they go. Let's see. But 1 times 3. What about 6? Not a lot of possibilities. 1 times 6, 2 times 3. I'll try the 1 times 3. So 3b, or b times 3b, or if you want to write 3b times b, that's up to you. And if I'm going to try the 2 and 3, I can't put the 3 here, can I? Because then I'd have a common factor of 3. So let's try it like this. The 2 here and the 3 there. So my inner is a 9b. Oh, okay, this is a good one. Outer is a 2b. I want a negative 7b. Okay. That means that the bigger number here should have that purple negative. It doesn't look purple, I guess. It looks black. Okay? Which would put a plus here. Is this minus that's right there? It's going to go there. Right? B minus 3 and 3b plus 2. B minus 3, 3b plus 2. B minus 3 and 3b plus 2. Okay. You know what, instead of that one, let's go back to number 5. Let's do number 5. It's a little trickier than that number 9. Number 5. 5w squared minus 3 minus 14w. Well, I'm saying this one's a little tricky. Why am I thinking it's tricky? Well, look at the other ones that we factored. It's the b squared, b, and then what's called a constant. In algebra, a constant means there's no variable attached to it. That's the form it should be in. Squared variable, unsquared variable, constant. Look at all the ones we've done so far. Squared, unsquared, constant. Okay? Having seen that, there's something I need to do here. Ooh, on number 5. I need to rewrite it how? I'll get it started. 5w squared and a minus 14w and a minus 3. Okay. Now I'll draw my 2 sets of parentheses. Oh, another one. Not a lot of numbers that multiply together to get 5. And when I say numbers, I mean whole numbers. If you're sitting there thinking, that idiot, what about 1/2 times 10? What about 1/4 times 20? When I say numbers, I mean here just whole numbers, counting numbers. Not a lot of counting numbers that multiply together to get 5. There's certainly a lot of decimals. And now that we've discussed imaginary numbers, you might be thinking, well, what about negative 5i times I? That would give me a 5. No, I just mean whole numbers. So, let's see. Oh, what did we decide about the signs? Second sign is minus, so, yeah, positive and a negative. I'm going to write it like this. 5w and w. And if it's going to work out, it's going to have to work out with that 1 and 3 or 3 or 1. How should I arrange it? Yeah, 1 and 3. In that order, I think that's going to do it. Again, number 6 is the only one that won't factor. At least based on my experience. If you're just really, really unlucky, maybe you'll get a lot of them that don't factor. And I think those are the harder ones because you got to, keep trying. Oh, wow. So, let's see. I'd have a 1w for the inner, and the outer is 15w. if I want a negative 14W, help me with these signs. That would mean that which one needs to be negative? The big one. I think the 15 should be negative, the 1 positive, which means in this first set of parentheses, what am I putting? A plus and a minus. Yeah. W plus 1. Look here. Parentheses 5W plus 1, close parentheses, and W minus 3. 5W plus 1 and W minus 3. Okay. Let's see. 8, 9, minus just another factor. Once you get to number 10, the instructions change. It no longer says factor. It says solve the equation. An equation is a statement with an equal sign, and that is where we pick up 1 week from today. Okay? So, if you're trying to stay caught up with me, then, you should have been worked. Why am I doing that? If you want to be caught up with me, try to have worked homework 2 and 1 through 9 on homework 3. If you took Math 371 and you remember how to solve those equations, it involves factoring, then great. Or if you want to watch the video and work ahead, great. But that's where I'm going to pick up the next time. And that's all we're going to do in assignment 4. So I'll finish this and we'll do assignment 4 and you'll realize, it's that solving equation stuff. Okay? So, that's where I'm going to leave y'all for right now. Oh, yeah. I mean, as soon as you put in an answer, it saves it automatically. That save button is sort of just for your peace of mind, okay? Students used to worry because there wasn't a save button. And so they save it, but it saves it automatically, okay? Yes, Yep, just